Why, hello everyone! I'm your lovely host, Innocent, and welcome back to Innocent's Voice Acting Advice. Or, as I like to call it, Eva! Today's topic is rejection. Now, no matter what type of actor that you are, you're going to deal with a lot of rejection. Personally, when it comes to auditioning for roles, I go with a post-it and forget it rule. If I get the role, awesome! If I don't, then there's no loss. However, as I learned a bit earlier this week, when you're auditioning for that big project or production, sometimes you can't help but getting invested. And when you get invested, not getting that role that you poured your heart and soul into auditioning for, it sucks, to say the least. With that being said, I have compiled a list of ways that one should and should not go about rejection. Do take time for yourself. If you're a very emotional person, go all out. Get that ice cream, have a long bath, go and binge that Netflix. I would limit this to, at most, a whole day. You don't need to go overboard, but get it all out of your system. Do, if you're not too shy like me, mind you, contact the casting director and ask what you could have done to improve your audition in their eyes. Even ask for critiques on your audition. Do not ask why you were not cast or why someone else was cast. The casting director has a certain vision in their mind for this production. You may have fit most of the boxes in his checklist, but someone else might have checked off more. Do not post negatively about this on social media. Other directors might see this and make a note of how you acted for future projects that you may or may not audition for. You don't need to act 100% business online, but just know that people can see what you post. And if it's always pure negativity when you don't nail an audition and you bash the project, others will take note of it and potentially avoid you for it. Do try and analyze your own audition to see where you need to improve. Even get an outsider to give you a critique on it. Sometimes we just can't hear our own mishaps and need another set of ears to see what's truly wrong. Do hold your head high, knowing that you put your best forward, and that the director might keep you in mind for other projects that they may have, and might even recommend you to fellow directors. Do not go talking about those who were cast and criticize them as to why they were not fit for the role, and that you would have been better for the pick. No, seriously. I see this far more than it needs to happen. That's just rude and unprofessional. Even if you think you're perfect for the role, others might not see it. Not everything in life is going to be handed to you. So don't make a big fuss each and every time something doesn't go your way. Do congratulate those who were cast, and if you can hear their auditions, compliment them on what you liked about it. In general, this list is just a call to action to be mindful online and to not be a total dick. You don't live in a bubble where only you can see what you post. I mean, you might have a private account, but unless you have 0 followers, no friends or family, no one at all. You might, but even then, you still shouldn't be a dick. The number one fault that I see people complain about is favoritism. Now, when a director has favoritism with somebody, it's usually because they know the person. They've worked with this person on multiple projects and knows for a fact that they can deliver what they want without fail. However, dealing with rejection is very personal and you need to find what works for you. So, with that being said, thank you for watching. Have any suggestions or requests for any other Eva topics? Leave them in the comments below. Or at me on Twitter. It's Creating Love. I'm more than happy to help to the best of my ability. Now, this has been episode 14 of Eva. Break a leg and go out there and voice act to your heart's content. We never speak of that. Anyway, if you liked what you just watched, feel free to click or tap here and it will take you to the latest video on my channel. Or you can let the YouTube algorithms choose a video it thinks you'll like. Magic! And of course, you can click or tap over here to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Come join the cult! We're always open to new members. Anywho, I hope to see you all soon. Peace out. Bye-bye!